Women voters in India have always done the country proud by their enthusiastic participation. In Goa, Uttarakhand, and Manipur, and several constituencies in Uttar Pradesh, women's voter turnout exceeded that of men voter turnout. The difference was striking in Uttarakhand, with women clocking 67.2% turnout as against 62.6% males, that is 5% more than the male counterparts. Goa also witnessed 80.96% female voter turnout against the 78.19 poll percentage for men, again 2.5% more by the women. In Manipur, 90% of women electorate came out to vote as against 88% of men. Out of the 6 phases of UP elections so far conducted, in 3 phases, the female voter turnout exceeded that of men. In the 6th phase, the male voter turnout was 51.03%, while the female turnout was 62.62%, a whopping woman power. I compliment all women voters on the eve of International Women's Day.